Hi, it's me again, and this really doesn't have anything to do with Corel except for I helped a gentleman design this, and I kind of came up with this idea, and he took it and ran with it. If you want to watch that video, it's just Tips and Tricks Plasma Fire Pit Ring Part 3. Wow, because it ended up being so good. But you cut this out with a plasma cutter, and that's what you get out of metal. And then he nicely sent me pictures of the finished product, and it came out excellent. I mean, it's a great design. It's going to be strong. It still shows animals and the trees and the deer and the trees could maybe use a little bit more cut out. There's a rabbit, uh, but it's going to keep the sparks and ashes from flying out, hopefully. And I really appreciate it. I love it when people send me end results. I just had somebody send me another picture today but if you'll type that in and watch that video, I'm going to call this part 4. So if you just look for part 1 or part 3, you can watch that video on how to design that. I'm pretty impressed. Anyway, I hope that helped. Thank you for watching.